Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix WhatsApp Meta AI not working on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Reset the network settings. Launch the settings menu. In settings menu, tap on General. In General settings, swipe down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, select Reset. Now, select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your iPhone passcode and then select Reset Network Settings to confirm that you want to reset your iPhone all settings. Solution 2. Update or offload WhatsApp application. To update the app, first go to the App Store. Then tap on search bar at the bottom right corner of the page. Now search for WhatsApp and tap on it. Here, make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp application. If any update is showing for it, update it. If any update is not showing here, then offload the app and reinstall it. For that, go back to the home screen and open the settings menu on your iOS device. Then tap on General Settings. Now tap on iPhone Storage and scroll down to find WhatsApp and tap on it. In WhatsApp menu, tap on Offload option and tap on Offload to confirm that you want to offload your application. Offloading the app will delete the app, but your data like photos, videos, audios, and documents will remain in your iPhone. Now go to the App Store. On the App Store, search for WhatsApp and tap on it. Then tap on cloud icon next to the WhatsApp Messenger to reinstall it. Solution 3. Check your WhatsApp settings. First, launch the settings menu. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. In apps menu, find WhatsApp and tap on it. Here you have to turn on all the permissions.